Today I'm going to show you some hairstyles to do with a beanie for you outdoor lovers like me that like to go hiking and skiing. Alright, Erika here, and we're going to jump right in and I'm going to show you a couple different styles that I do when I'm going to be wearing a beanie. So the first one is when I kind of have day-old hair. I wake up in the morning, I got that little bit crazy curled bed hair, and I'm gonna just go with it and kind of rock that. So I'll kind of bring my hair over to one side, and then I really just kind of slip my beanie on. Pretty simple and quick, and you can kind of just let the rest of your hair kind of hang down and be kind of messy. And that's look number one. Pretty simple, quick, and easy. Then, going in to our other look, we're gonna do a pony with a beanie. So, pick a side to make your pony into, kind of smoothing your hair off to the side. I like to kind of get it in fairly snug so that when I'm hiking or skiing, those little loose hairs don't come apart. Wrapping the ponytail around here. I like to kind of brush it in and down. A lot of times when I'm skiing, I'm going to tuck this hair in so it doesn't get all snowy and gross. I also like to kind of fix my bangs off to one side so that later, if you need to take your hat off, it doesn't look quite so crazy. And beanie on, beanie with the pony. All right, last look. Actually, this is my favorite look with the beanie. Is a braid. So once again, kind of smoothing your hair out, getting all the tangles out so you can braid it easily. You could do two braids. I'm just gonna do one braid today. And I'm just gonna do a standard braid, but obviously there's a lot of different braids you could do. You could do a fishtail braid. You could do more of a French braid where you start up higher. See if I can do this with my mirror assistant here. Okay, kind of got the braid in, putting your hair tie on. And then I like my braid to be kind of fatter and thicker, so I just kind of loosen it out like this, starting at the bottom. I'm not going to worry about being perfect because, you know, it's outdoorsy. We're not going to worry about that too much. So once you kind of have your braid in there as thick and fat as you want it, then once again kind of fixing your bangs so they're laying down smooth, so later when you want to take your beanie off, it's not too crazy. And on with the beanie and the braid. All right, so these are the looks I have for you today. Like and subscribe to our YouTube channel to see future videos and give us some feedback and information of what you'd like to see in the future. Thanks for joining us today.